Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial video on the big doors, our latest addition to the server. And essentially what this does is it creates movable doors, and the way you can do this is what I'm going to show you right now. So let's say you want to protect your resources in case you're in a faction, or if you just want a special form, like another way of creating a door in your base. So first off, you're going to make sure that there's enough space for the door to move upwards. You can also choose downwards, but for this tutorial I'm going to go upwards. Um, and because it doesn't do anything now, and if we place a button here, it's not going to do anything. If we put a button here, and there's no redstone involved, it's just simple fences sitting like that. And to activate this, we type in the command BDM. And this opens a menu where you can see the information about your current doors. You can change the sorting so they sort by numbers or alphabetically. You can create drawbridges, doors, uh, portcullis, which we're going to be working with right now, and then a sliding door. Each of these have different ways of setting up, um, but we're going to work on portcullis, which is, in my opinion, the most simplest door to set up. So if we click on this, you see that we have a creation process, and you have approximately 120 seconds to complete it. So the first thing you want to do is name the door. So let's type /name door and then the name. I'm going to name it slide vault because this is a vault. So, and now we get a big door tool, and this is to define the region of where the door is. So we're going to left click and then left click in the opposite corner, and now it's created, but it doesn't have a opening function yet. Nothing works. And so default, it would be a gold block that you would use, and but I've added some extra features in the config. So let's put a button right here, and now we're going to type BDM again, and now we can see that we have this slide vault door in this door menu. And before I show you how to activate the portal, I'm going to go through the menu with you. So here's the door information, what door ID it is, and all that. You don't really need to bother with this. But then you have lock door. You can choose to lock the door so no one can use it, not even the people that you've given permission to. You can toggle the door so it opens and closes without using redstone or a activation block. You can get door info, some sample information about the door. You can delete the door. You can also relocate power block, which we're going to do in a second. And then you can set door auto close timer, how if it's going to automatically close, which is useful if you have a door in just one side. You want to maybe make it auto close. And you can add people as owner for this door, secondary owners. You're the main owner, so you're the super admin of the door. So when you're not on the server, even if you add someone as an owner, they won't be able to open the door unless you are online. And you can also remove owners, and you can change the opening direction. Depending on if you have a available space for the door, it's going to go towards the direction you tell it to. But if there's no space, it's going to choose the option automatically where there is space. And you can change the number of blocks this door will try to move. So it doesn't move all the way up. You can choose so it only moves halfway up. So, but what we're going to do right now is relocate the power block. So we get this tool again, and then we just left click the um, the block that we want to be the activator for this. So you left click it, and now it's automatically created. So if we click this button right now, it's linked to this door, and that should open. And since there is sufficient space for this door to go upwards, it it um, it chooses to go upwards. And I have the automatic direction, so it it found out that upwards was the only available spot. If I would have done it downwards, it could have chosen any direction of those two. But now it goes up. And to close it again, we would just need to close it. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you later.